to Global View USA, your trusted window to the world is most impactful development. Today we bring you a breaking story that could reshape global trade dynamic. Former USA President Donald Trump has made a bold announcement. If elected again, he plans to double the tariff on import steel, raising the current 25% rate to massive 50%. Speaking at USA steel plant in Pennsylvania, Trump declared that America will not longer rely on cheap steel from China. This move is designed to protect American workers, strengthen domestic manufacturing, and reduce dependency on foreign steel. According to Trump, the Econi USA Steel company must remain under American control. Even if its current acquisition stock involve foreign partner like Japanese Nippon Steel, this strong nationality message is being viewed as a direct challenge to foreign steel gain, particularly China, Japan, South Korea, who have long benefited from larger export cost to US. Experts warn that such high tariff could tariff price tension in the global steel market. While it may boost local production, it could also invite retaliatory trade measures and increase cost for US industry relying on import material. Economy and political analysts see this as part of Trump's broader strategy to regain control over critical industry and build a 2024 election narrative around American jobs, American skills, and American pride. What do you think? Is this a step forward economic independence or beginning of a new trade war? Drop your thought in the comment below, and for more such critical insight from around the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global View USA. Thanks for watching.